Now we see how double linked list work. Double linked list means there are two pointers and data part. Pointer at the beginning and pointer at the end, start and end. Okay, or next and previous. So what should be the node, previous node? What should be the next node? What is the next node and what is the previous node? We will save these pointers. Okay, now we should have previous link. Okay, and we have node next link. We have created this in list, in our list. Okay, simple list. We have created this class before. Okay, we are using that class. Now in the append data we will have temp1 and pointer temp2. There are two pointers. Temp2 will hold pointer to n1, means node. Okay, so we have after allocating the memory, we should have n1, pointer to n1 dot previous link, link of previous is equal to null. Inside if. Okay, and we have link, and we have pointer to n1, next link is equal to null. Okay, if it is null, then next link will be null, and pointer to n1 dot data is number. Okay, data is number, and in the else part we have if temp, we have temp1, we have temp1, temp1 will be temp1 if temp1 next link is not equal to null, then temp2 next link will be not equal to null, then temp2 is equal to temp2 next link. Okay, yes, okay, this is a link, right? Now we have temp1 we have to remove this. Okay, because we have created this, and now we have here temp1 is equal to new node. Okay, and temp1 data is equal to number. Okay, data part, and we have temp1 next will be what? Next will be null. Next will be null, and temp1 previous link is temp2. Okay, so next and previous are done. Now we have temp1 next will be null, temp1 previous will be, and we have temp2 next link is equal to temp1. Okay, so next is there, previous is there, and next link should be null. Okay, now what about the insert at the beginning? We have to set temp new node. After this we have temp previous link is equal to null. Previous means previous link will be null because we add at the start. And data part will be number, temp1 data part will be number, and its next link will be node n1. So at the start means this is head node. Okay, so we have n1 and previous is equal to temp. And also we have pointer to n1 is equal to 10. Okay, now we have this. Insert at start. Add after. What about the after? We have after location and if n1 is null, then this. So we have inside the for loop we have n1 next is equal to n1 is null, this is okay. So new node, we have new node, and we have after new node we have previous. So we have temp we have n1 is equal to n1 previous. Okay, previous link, then data, then temp previous link is equal to n1 previous link will be N1. And what should be the temp next? Temp next link. Next link is N1 next. Okay, N1 next link, and we have temp next is equal to next link and previous link, is equal to temp. Okay, so next link and previous link will be temp, and we have N1 next link is equal to temp. Okay, next link is equal to 10. This is our add after function. What about the display? In the display we have this data, we have null and N1 next link. N1 next link will be considered, and if there are, we should print null also, and this is how this is done. Let's compile this. We had this was not declared. Okay, this is temp1, right? This is temp1. We have previous link. This is previous link. N1 we have in the insert after, we have this is N1 previous or next. Insert after next link. Okay, location is this should be the next link, and if N1 is null then display less elements. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, there are problems. We have to check it again for the validity. We have defined temp1 and temp2, and then we have this is equal to N1 should be equal to temp2. This is good. Then N1 is, if N1 is null, then new node is N1, and Okay, this is temp 1. This is temp 1. Okay. Now, and one previous link is new node should be temp 1. New node is already temp 1 here. Okay. Now we have next link, we have data, we have previous link, both null. Then we have in the next link temp 2 next link, and we have this, we have new node, we have data, next link is null, previous link is, this should be temp 2 and this should be temp 1. Okay, now it is working. I think it should work. There is problem with the while loop, I think. In the while we have temp 2 next link is not equal to null. Temp 2 next link is equal to temp 2, and we have this, and in the display there may be problem in the display, right? Because it is n1 and n1 is equal to null. In the display we have next n1 data, n1 data, and n1 next link should be n1. This is okay if n1 is not equal to null. Okay, now about after, let's see, we should display this and insert after. Where is the problem? Let's see. Okay, we are passing this, and in the add after we have, okay, we should remove this. Okay, now we compile it again. Elements of node. It is returning this value. So we should check it again. We have n1. If n1 is null, then previous node, previous link is null, next link is null, and this, then we have next linked null is not equal to null, then this should be we should, if we remove this, this is the problem, I think, because else was okay. This was the problem, because else in the beginning, if after the if condition, if not equal to null, then it will okay for the both null, next and previous. So we have elements of data 10, 20, 30, 40. We insert at the beginning 60, 50. Then we add after, for example, this, and we add after this, we have this, and we should display this, right? Add after 100 and 200, we should add. Okay, 100 after 2 and 4. Okay, good. 0, 1, 2 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 200. 100 and 200 are added after. Okay. So this is how we use double linked list. Double linked list means previous link and next link. The address of the previous node and address of the next node are, so for example, you have lessons, you have courses. Inside the courses there are lessons. Inside the lessons there are assignments, there are quizzes for the lessons. So you should have previous link and next link. So assignment has previous link with the lesson, and lesson has previous link with the course. Okay, and inside the lesson we have next links, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, and we display all the lessons, we display all the courses. This is next. And previous course, for example, there is a prerequisite. For example, there are chapters. So previous chapter is previous chapter, next chapter is next chapter. Okay. So you add lesson and you click previous lesson, next lesson, previous chapter and next lesson. So this is data structure. Okay. You display the data using this double linked list, right? Double linked list means there are 2 pointers, next or previous.